In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps. Then select Dual Apps here and hit Create. Now you can either use gray sweater next to any of those apps and hit Turn On to clone a chosen one, or pick one of the recommended ones by clicking on one of them, using this sweater next to Dual Apps feature, and adjusting all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!